BMW CE02, parang coming from the future, itong e-bike na to, Nedises, LED at napakataba ng kanyang front suspension na naka-inverted telescopic fork. Parang surfing board yung kanyang pinakaupuan, space na pass-through doon sa may bandang unahan, meter panel. And then doon naman sa kanyang naked na handlebar ay meron tayong built-in na cellphone holder, mags, na parang sa mga sasakyan na. Externally excited, air-cooled, synchronous machine, 6.5 kilowatts or 9 HP. 15 HP at 5,000 RPM, 55 Newton meters of torque ang kaya niyang i-offer, up to 95 kilometers per hour. Only 6 kilowatts per 100 kilometers. So, ang range ng isang full charge ay kayang tumakbo na up to 95 kilometers. Meron itong secondary drive unit swing arm, tooth belt drive. 5 hours and 12 minutes para ma-full charge natin from 0 to 100%. 595,000 pesos of SRP.